I still see only 14 participants. Only 14 participants. I see Mr. Usmani, Mr. Girish, Abdul, Sadhu Solomon, Bashir, Ravinder, Kishore, Kevin. Okay. So, good morning, friends. So, today we will have a special focus in terms of a user. I'll just tell you how powerful, how many of you, now you can unmute your mic unless you're traveling or a disturbance. Yesterday, Jana Atra, individual WhatsApp group, Nimma UPOS owner agi user group itkondidira. How many of you have got separate user group, you as a UPOS owner? You can raise your hand or unmute and talk. All of you are UPOS owners, 99%, excepting maybe one. Okay, one or two probably. Now, okay, so
don't have, sir. Not open still, Aziz.
Sudhakar, do you have a group? Nimatra idea on the user WhatsApp
no.
group.
No.
Joseph, do you have?
I also don't have, sir. I'm just waiting for some good partners, and then
Girish
I'll
is
users
new.
and make one.
Mr. Abdul is new, but do you have a user group? Mr. Usmani ji, you have a group of yours?
I have group, but
Not for user group of UPOS. That's exactly what I want to ask you. You might have a group, maybe of
Yes.
your apartment, your community, or your family, but you are
Yeah.
not created something for GG UPOS user app.
Because
Correct?
I don't want to create on my name. I wanted some active person, and then I want to go ahead with the
Very
groups.
good. I'll talk about it. Okay, very good. Okay. So now, if we don't do it now, it is going to be a real pain. Tomorrow it will be a regret. Okay, I'll tell you what it is. Now, Kishorji, do you have a user group? I know you would have your ex-defense, air veterans group. Maybe you're utilizing it that. At least that is okay. I want to know if there is a new launch, if there is a product launch, if there is a announcement happening in GG. Like I pass it on to ACPs or Lorwin group, Kings group, or CP group. I'm giving an example. Do we have a user group of yours? That's all I want to know. Definitely all of us have a friends, family, 20, 30 years of an experience. Ravindranath, Nimatra idea group create ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ user
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
group
ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಂದು ನಾನೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ
individually ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ good but
Yeah.
ಅದು not good enough. I'll tell you.
Yeah, sir. Agree.
Okay.
Yeah.
Solomon is new. Kannan Venkat sir is pretty new, but and Balwanji, your UPOS got fixed. It got activated yesterday. Okay. Yesterday only I confirmed it is activated. All right. So what I'm trying to tell is there are 2-3 things. One, because you might have a challenge individually having groups, that is where I created one common group in Telegram. Why Telegram? Most of you know. WhatsApp, the information what you share, it will download in your app. The number will be available to your competitor or somebody who's joining just as a visitor. They can take your contacts. Whatever information you put today, whoever joins the group from today only, so whatever, let's say today we are creating a WhatsApp group, Sudhakar is joining from tomorrow. Whatever information I put from tomorrow only, it will be available for Sudhakar. Fourth one, there is no limitation in Telegram. You can have lakhs together. 2 lakh users you can have. These are the reason why we moved from WhatsApp to Telegram. And you will see that, we have a considerable amount of 350 users are there. Had we been in WhatsApp, we may not have had so many users. Now, the reason of doing this is basically to get all the users, to get all your partners, your vendors also into one group where they keep getting lot of promotions, updates, because you individually, you can't do that. Now, as a UPOS owner, we need to do it actually. I keep giving an example. How when you open a company, ಒಂದು company ಒಂದು open ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು shop ಒಂದು open ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, do you do it in a closed room? Let's say, Mr. Joseph is opening a shop, grocery shop in Carmel Ramnagar. Will he just open it without even inviting anybody, without informing anybody? Mr. Joseph, let's say you're opening up an office or a shop. You're opening a real estate office, let's say.
Yes, sir.
What will you do, please?
Invite maximum people, so maximum friends, but all of
Firstly,
whom I know.
Yes, you deck up the entire thing. You invite, you prepare an invitation. Today, physical invitation not required. Today, WhatsApp and digital promo is very fast, correct? So like that, we have also got a digital mall, which is more powerful than the physical real estate shop or a kirana shop that we are going to open. But most of the time we fail to realize. I keep telling, or we keep telling, this mobile is the biggest mall ever one can dream of. Why? I have a UPOS in this. Are we able to understand? So if not to that level, we need to start percolating. Now I'll tell you, I'll do a screen sharing of mine. I'll tell you how this Telegram group is utilized by one of our counterpart. Anyway, it is recorded, but since I am also an official MCP in Tamil Nadu, I'm just opening the Tamil Nadu group. Are you able to see this? Yes, Jana, note, are you able to see here? 35,082 users. Global Gardener Tamil Nadu users. Are you able to understand? 35,000 it is, and it is going to touch 2 lakhs shortly, probably before Diwali. They have got a very clear strategy and others. 35,000. You see every day what kind of activities happen. Every day bookings are happening. Every day inquiries are happening. You see here new launch. He is our MCP. See Indian Green Cardamom. It's all today, October 12th. Can you see the dates? See here, he's talking about dress. People are talking about clothing. See yesterday's vendor. See received today. See here. I'm not talking in air. Yesterday order, received today, dispatch, eco-friendly, paper sheet, something. You see here. You see here, what and all. It's no duplicate. You see here, gold, Kalyan Jewelers, 20 liters, Royal. It's all today, mobile. You have got, iPhones to whatnot. Okay. See, they are calling in for a special meeting of their own group users. See, diamonds. See, what and all is there. This, I want you to play it. How many of you are aware of, how many of you got to see this? One sec. Is my screen visible? Screen
Visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
Yeah. So this particular screen share I want to do with a, one moment. I am going to do it with a sound.
Good evening, friends. This is my second UPV 418 reached 5th level. Now the great occasion, the 36,000 GG coins converted into real money. I thank our Lisa and MCP Jagdish. Great occasion is the 36 GG coin converted into 36,000 rupees. This is the power of Gigi. Once again, proves Gigi Tamil Nadu always ready.
Okay, how many of you understood what exactly is that message? You can unmute and tell me. What is he trying to talk about there? What is it? I don't want the seniors. I want, let's say, let me.
You would like to talk about my circle, sir.
Okay.
You would like to talk about my cycle, and he has achieved, and he has reached to 5th cycle, and he has pushed GG coins in that.
Very good, excellent. Now he is using a word 36,000 GG coins at the 5th level. But you know what is his total earning? Now on the message is there. I have shared
Around
a message
86.
because
It will be around 56,000.
it's more than that. One moment, I'll open that. It is more than that. I think in King group or in most of the groups, in our own Lorwin group, I would have put in. Okay, one sec. I'm just opening that. What is it? I would have just put it there as well. Kings, I'm just moving in. Yes. So I'm opening up the message what Mr. Vikas has typed and put in. Yes. Yet another great news, Tamil Nadu, 36,000 GG coins converted to real money. Here you have just spent 10,000 for his personal use. And what is the earning he had? 74,000. Are we able to understand? 36,000. 4th level, you would have got 20,000. 36 plus 20 is 56. At each level, he has got, 500,000, 3,500, all put together. Approximately 74,000 he has earned for simply spending 10,000 for his personal use.
It is exactly 74,000, sir.
Huh?
It is exactly 74,000.
Absolutely. So now you got in what is the power. When Tamil Nadu can do, when I'm not comparing state to state or whatever, forget about it. And GGN, not as a UPOS, let's keep aside MCP, CP. Today's subject is user. As a user, J. Jenodayalan, he's a professor of a college. He's a professor of a college. He has got different roles and responsibilities. Still, see the kind of a thing what he is. But it is not that he generated one UPV and sat. He is driving his users. He is driving his team to do that. And today, second, it is not first. Second UPV of his own got 36,000, fifth level completed. So imagine the state rate has already completed sixth level. When it is possible with them, as a user, I'm not at all talking about MCP, ACP, CP, UPOS owner. Just blindly, I'm talking about as a user. What is the challenge? Why is that we are not able to do? Where are we getting stuck? What is that we need to do? I'm just opening that screen share once again to show you the Telegram and what and all is happening there. I'm just showing this as an example. Okay, I'm just moving in. See here. What is not there, you tell me in this. So morning when I get up, including my tarkari irbodu, nanna hall irbodu, nan grocery irbodu, everything. I know. See, 100 rupee. There is somebody promoting about a promotion. See, sewing machines. So you see anything and everything, mugs, printing, marketing boost in terms of, you see, it's all 12th. These are all 12th. I'm still scrolling for 12th. They're talking about this herbal the country sugar. Okay. You see here for the shampoos, whatnot, cosmetics, anything and everything is there. 30,000 users, out of which nearly 400, 500 vendors are there. Everything is available. ಒಂದು group create ಮಾಡಿ, you need to build your own team of what it is. For example, Mr. Girish might feel, I do not want to talk about something which is lesser. Mr. Usmani might say, I will talk only about what is covering to my. I'm giving an example. Either you do it or get all your users, your contacts, your partners. See, there is a calendar. He's promoting a calendar and then, certain things, already. See, this is all the thing. And it goes on, it goes on, it goes on. Every day there are being orders. Orders go to them. See, they are promoting mobile to electronics to anything and everything. This is what they are doing. Okay. So including real estate loan. I'll show you one. In fact, one of our friend, he's an ACP. I don't know if he's joined the meeting today. He is into laptop. But you see here, there is an ad being put in from a laptop yesterday. And see, these are all the transactions. They are doing a purchase. Okay. Few they share, they don't share. See, this is Mr. Vikas's message. There is a message on laptop and Mr. Vikas himself is asking what is the price. I want to pick up. I don't know how many of you saw. Most of you are not in this Tamil Nadu Telegram group. I'll show you. There might be a few repeated ads. See, the more you showcase, the more you get leads. See, you tell me, what segment you're not there. See, this is borewells. Okay. Part-time job. Okay. You see here, this products in terms of, there is a guy who showcased laptops. See, yesterday night he posted. To get that, I'm scrolling up so much. See, weight loss, they're talking about so many things. So you tell me, in a day-to-day life, you and me as consumers, do we need to go anything away from GG? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. Why is that we need to go out of GG? See, Chennai Silks. Chennai Silks has put in. Pothys is already there. I'm just going to that laptop promotion. See, they are talking about a job. Consultancies are posting. See, Diamond. Let me see what it is. These are all, see, it's moved to yesterday. I'll do a search for Laptop, refurbished laptop it is actually. Not this. Like this, they keep posting, and believe it, our own friend, Lorwin's own, see, by the time I'm scrolling, there are already 3 messages coming. See, can you explain about it? Somebody is asking. Okay, so this is how it is. See, by the time I opened, 3 postings have come in already within 2 minutes. So they made it as happening. When I opened, this was the last ad. You see here, it is 11:20, 11:25, 11:26. So every minute, every time there is something happening. I'm just showing this as an example. Is it possible we can do it now? Madboda, Madanantira. What is your opinion? What is your opinion?
ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
So
You've got separate groups, no, sir, for vendors, separate.
no, it is the same. It is the same. Our Lorwin group we can put in, no problem. That can be done. If you want, we will do that. Or if you want, we'll open a new, but doesn't matter. Anyway, for leadership, we have separate. What is stopping us doing it? We are all consumers. We are connected with vendors. We are all doing a day-to-day expenditures, but still we are only living in a conservative world. We are not going. The disadvantage. What are the disadvantages? Let's say there is a place in Kormangla, Sudhakar, where is living or office, in and around people is there. If he delays, he tells, anyway, what should I do? What is the disadvantage? Somebody could tell me. If Sudhakar does not add his network or contacts, neighborhood, people in and around his locality, forget
Yes,
about
sir.
what he gains today. What is the loss?
Somebody else will do it. No, sir?
Absolutely. Somebody else will do. And when we are talking about launch or an ad, promo, they will, because we are going to start with some TV promo and other things shortly. We are going to get in with some newspaper or other things. Schools are getting added. Doctors and hospitals are getting added in. That time, somebody who is a neighbor, somebody who has got a product with Sudhakar, instead of joining with Sudhakar, he will be with somebody else. And when a customer joins on his own, do you and me get any benefit as a referral? We don't get. Correct. Now let's say, how many contacts do you have, Sudhakar, in your mobile contact? Mobile contact ali.
Just 500.
500 jana idare. How many are there user in your user app?
5, 6, 7. Very small.
Are you able to understand, friends, what I'm trying to tell? Nanna contacts, nanna personal snehidru 500, 1000 jana irbodu. But only 500 at least I got in my mobile contact. If I actually ask him to open, he will show 1000, 5000 kuda torsbodu. But roughly 500 ankoli. But when it comes to the number of users in my user app, number of users, no UPOS, no partner, he is not investing. No, he is a consumer. That also 5 to 6. Why? I'm taking a case with others also. Joseph, it could be Usmaniji, it could be,
Yes, sir.
it could be Mr. Kannan, it could be Ravindranath. Ravindranath, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೂಸರ್ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಅರೌಂಡ್ 26-27 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನಾ? ಖುಷಿನಾ?
ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದಿವಸ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿನಾ? ದಿವಾಲಿ ದಸರಾ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿನಾ? ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Is there anybody telling no, you should not do users? Vikas sir ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ? No, unless you achieve this, you can't add. Any reason? I'm not talking about UPOS selling. I'm not talking about vendor onboarding. I'm not talking about UPV generation. User add ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Why? Any particular? See, this is the place, friends. For few who are not used to this, I'm just going in. Global Garner is beautifully done in such a way. I'm not able to see the list, but we as MCPs also, we have got more than, this is the list. See, these are all it's available. This is my list, which is already being users. Okay. And we use multiple IDs. See, the list is opening still. Okay. Are you able to understand? As MCPs also, I have got my own account. My wife has got her list. Satya's wife has got, but still common. See, we have added in. It's more than 200, 250 users. This list is going on, you see. List is going on. Okay. I'm not telling this is a great achievement. 200, 250, 300 is nothing. See, it is going on. The list is going on. Okay. So it takes a little time to open probably, because our CPs will be the first ones when we onboarded them, Bharat and all that. So this is the user list what we have got who have been onboarded from us as a user referred. Are we able to understand? See, the list goes on, and I have my own list. Now, how do we promote this? We will have to take it as a short target, tagoli, festive season alli idu ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I'll tell you how we can do it. You can also refer a vendor. You can do a referral. So now, one is I can do a sharing of my creative or a link. You know what is the link. You can modify a link also. You'll notice, copy. I'm going into a WhatsApp. I'm just doing a demo. I'm just doing this. See, this is how it is. This is my link. Merely my user ID link. Illi you message type ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay. Earn from your spending, or are you interested in earning from your daily spend? I'm just giving in some clues, whatever you want. Or do you want to earn 1 crore by whatever? See, there are a lot of creatives. See, this is only a text. Now this is your user ID. You send it, the person one who's going to. For this, you just click it. That's all. That is one of the option. The other option I'm telling you, where you give a customized message. Now the other one, all of us use all the social media. Facebook we use WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn we use, all that we use. See here, I'm talking about some promo. You're talking about a cashback, first cry. Okay, I'm just, you have all these ready creatives, just run through. See here, big savings, 100% Global Gardener, Flipkart we are promoting, Super Trendy we are promoting. These are all readily available ones. For example, COVID Essentials, cashback. We are talking about Chroma. Why not we put all these creatives every day? See, this is UPOS. Don't try UPOS in the beginning. Talk about user app. Talk about grow your business. This is for vendor. You see here, pay recharge bills. I'm giving an example. So here, I put in my email address because both of us are, partners, no? So here, I'm going to put HSR just to give a customization I'm talking about. I'm going to put my mobile 9741900215 and whatever the number you wanted to. And here also you can put 2-3 numbers. Okay. Here you can change your profile. Here Lorwin is there. Let us say you want to change your own profile. Okay. So I'm just going to put, I'm just to show you an example. I've got some photos. Let's say I'll select my own photo. Or any photo. Hopefully now there would be some photo that I've got of mine here. Okay, so I'm just going to put, for an easy thing, I'm going to put Mr. Vikas photo. Okay, I'm going to put this photo only, where it is my achievement, just like that. Okay, and I'm going to put in submit. You observe that creative, we are talking about a recharge. I can directly post it into Facebook or WhatsApp, anything, or I can download that image. This is readily available. I do not spend anything on it. Okay, so it is got downloaded. Sorry, it's opened here. So now you have a look. See here, this is the Global Gardener. Pay your bills, recharge through Global Gardener. See here, mobile, landline, electricity, all that we are putting in. Get additional smart cashback up to 100%. Global Gardener. You see here, are you able to see the thing here, friends? My photo, what I put in, the mobile number, John Mario, HSR, whatever it is. So Global Gardener has created a system. This is a downloaded one. I can forward it. I can share it. Okay, you can put whatever you want. You can put your company, you can put in your thing, or like for example, Sugar Knocker, what Mr. Girish is promoting. He can put Sugar Knocker promo, not on this. You put it on a cashback thing. There are few creatives for cashback. I'll tell you. Like this, you keep getting lot of promotions. Okay, you keep moving ahead. Or your own promotion, you put it in the user. You can put it in the group. Okay, get rid of sugar, diabetic with a natural thing, whatever promo. He has got a fantastic promo with Global Garner, earn 100% GG coin and 2% cashback. Also through UPV, you can earn 1 crore. Shadow. So like that you can do. It's a user promo. You can do the same thing with the UPOS promo. Like that you create small. I think Mr. Girish, I know, he has got a very good development team and, team working on. Like that we need to make you see, like that you keep scrolling. You will find a lot of, see, you're promoting Arrow. You're promoting, become a UPOS partner. See the brands here. So like that, don't market your thing. This is for the UPOS. When you want to promote a vendor, you can do this. So there are hundreds of such promos. See, I'm keep moving ahead. Now for Diwali, you will get some promo. For Dashara, you will have a promo. See, let us join and earn the lifetime new digital mall. We are talking about become a new entrepreneur. You are already a ACP or a partner. When you want to sell a digital mall, see here, best time to become an entrepreneur is now. Join us to earn lifetime with new digital. You do not break your head. You simply click this, you put your name and thing, you become an entrepreneur and live your dreams. ACP promo. Okay, don't use it because you are all ACP. That time we used. See, Republic Day, there was a promo. Like that, cashback and reward. See here, Sunday again. So like that, you get hundreds of promotions. See here, beautiful promotion. You need all in one app. Why don't you put all of this in our creative today? You put your photo and get all this and you put a beautiful message. You can put a message also. See, you can put your referral ID. You can put your join world's biggest organization and earn from your expenditure. I'm just giving an example. Use whatever you can attach a link also. Okay, so like that you put it and I'm submitting it. I'm just downloading it. You type whatever you want, whatever the promo you want. I'm downloading it. I'm just seeing the image. You see here. Reasons to Love, Global Garner. This is the app. You need only one app for all your needs. You can attract, no? So many of you, see here, world's biggest organization like this, you can put in a thing also. Message, if you want to add, you can. Or today with a small edit option, you can put in here or your own link. Along with this message, when you send your link. What I told you, copy link and paste it there. Madboda, can we do it? Is it possible? Adding in users and more, promotions. Can we all do it in our
This
social
can be sent to WhatsApp as well as Facebook, no, sir?
Facebook, WhatsApp, you can put it as a message, Telegram, everything you can use. Every day, instead of showing some kind of a status, every day get a new status, add 2-3 status, put your profile pic like that. Can we do it? It's going to be, see, out of 100 people who view, every day let 2 to 3, 5 customers be added in. Is it possible? Can we do it? And there are few where you can add vendors also. I'll tell you, there are few promotions which will help you add vendors. Okay. I'm just going back there. Vendors, when you want to get, see here, this is the brands we're talking about. You spend a little time in this promo. There are a lot of useful information, what you cannot even think. See, Meha brand, there is a promotion. New brands added in. 80 plus new Meha brands added in. Okay, like that. See, cashback options. If you want to talk only about a cashback, there is recharge, there is some promo. Okay. If you want to add vendor, have you registered for the biggest cashback? See, like this, cashback. Okay, cashback rewards. There are a lot of ads utilize the Sunday, create your thing. Okay. And this is for your vendor ad. Vendor ad, I'll just tell you, there are few vendor ads. If you want to promote your business, join Global Ghana, it says. Okay. 1 crore we are talking about. Okay. Up to this 100% cashback we are talking about. Like this, every day 111. See, register your business, 0 upfront cost, get free on-ground sales support. Are we able to understand? This you can send it to those shops, kirana, fruit, vegetable vendors, medical shop, all that. They will say, Joseph, what is this? I saw something. Sudhakar, what is it? Girish Avare, are you already into GG? What is it? Create a curiosity. In a morning, instead of we seeing WhatsApp and all that, every day we waste so much of our time. 2 minutes, ready creative is there. Put your name and number, ready, put it to 100 people every day, make it as a thing habit, or put it in your group. You've got a WhatsApp group, see benefits of UPOS, digital mall, you're trying to promote something. Now you can put here, right? Today, if you buy 54,000, Diwali afterwards, it is 63,000. Add this, see, UPOS benefits, you can sell UPOS. See, I'm not telling the moment you put, you're going to sell 100 UPOSs. Let 1 or 2 UPOS you sell. No, as a partner, you get 5,000. As a ACP, you get 7,000. Who's stopping like this? So there are a lot of creatives what Global Ghana has already got. We need to utilize it and make your team. Like for example, I'm talking to 10 of you, 20 of you. Like that, you will have your own friends. Now let them post it. Okay. So please get into from today, 12th to Diwali. Let all of our user app should have a minimum 500 users. And our Lorwin group, Telegram group, should not be with 350. I'm just opening up Lorwin. What happens, you see there. It's like a kind of a TED, group. Whatever I post comes in. Maximum, whatever I do, only it comes in. Otherwise, you see here, okay, this is the posting what I've done. Okay, now you see all my postings. 2 users have been added in. One Srijit who has joined new, he has put in a hi message. If there are 10 messages, 8 messages are posted by me. You see here. Finally, 53. Kishore has put in the previous day. So hardly, see, one person has asked, can you share the presentation? Apart from that, this is a kind of a, inactive group. 353 members are only there. And one person asked yesterday, how can I add? I've shared the link. So is it difficult to make this 353, 35,000 or 3,000? Let's benchmark 3,000 before Diwali. Not Boda. Possible? Possible, not possible.
Possible, all work together, not 1 or 2 people.
So forget about everybody working. What is that each one of you will do? Correct. Each one. Okay, I will do this. This is how you can add users, and the user will have something and he is going to ask you, can I get this? What can I get? He will be first a user. You can connect through him to the vendor. Parallelly, if he's looking for an additional income, you can make him a UPOS owner. You can make him a partner. Somebody is thinking of 54,000 is a big amount. You make him a UPOS agent. You make him a partner. Start earning. This is all the ways it is. There are different avenues. I'm not telling you to leave your existing job, come and start focusing on this. No. 1 hour, 30 minutes. You want creative create ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? 2 minutes. You select that promo and send to 20 of your WhatsApp group or put it in the social media, put it in your profile. How long it will take? Morning 10 minutes. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ revert ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, evening 1 call, 1 message back to. Join don't break your head in explaining it. Join Kannada Wow today. Join English Wow on Saturday. That's all. He's going to ask, Abdulji, what is it? Can you explain me? Yes. It's a very good subject. I've also joined. I am also a shareholder of Global Ghana, world's biggest organization. To learn more, you join. If he's a Kannada speaking guy, join tomorrow, Wednesday. If he's an English speaking guy, join Saturday. No, I want to physically meet you Sunday. Abdul is not going to be traveling to Bangalore or whatever it is. Digitally, we have a wow on every Wednesday, 9 o'clock, Kannada wow. Every Saturday, English wow. Every Sunday, a physical meeting. You have ready promotions. Is it difficult? I'm only telling you how to generate more users, how to convert them, how to. Like, for example, there is a presentation that I do. In that, I talk about one slide for users. One moment, I'm just running through that. That slide, if you want, you can put it, that becomes a very powerful user promotion. This slide. I'm earning through my expenses. How about you? Join Global Gunner and get. How are you getting, Mr. Abdul? How is that
Not
you're getting?
getting-
Eh?
Not,
getting
can't see
screen
this. Can't see the screen, sir.
Okay, okay, one moment. One sec. It is that particular slide what I show. How about now? This particular creative can bring magic. You simply put it in your status today. I'll share this image to you. All of you put it in your status. Okay. Or if you're working, you're not active in GG, ask your better half, your friend, your colleague, your counterpart, your parents, whoever it is. One of your circle in your family, your alternate number, post this. I'm earning through my expense. How about you? Do you think you will get about 5 to 6 replies?
Yes.
Do you think you will get or you will not?
Send the message or put it in status, sir.
Put it in status or send it as a WhatsApp to your close ones. You share it to 100 of your contacts or put it into groups where it should not be a strange group. For example, you're part of a real estate group, don't post this. You will become a kind of a strange look they will, don't do. Your friend circle, your contacts, you put it in. So why I'm telling this is, unless and until you do this, you will not be able to add users. You will not get transactions. See, for example, GG voucher. Yesterday, there was a GG voucher training given by Vanmali. How many of you were there? I saw Joseph, I saw Ken, I saw probably Ravindranath. Anybody else who was part of that session?
I think that
Anybody else who was part of that session?
Haruna, Ashuna was that Usmani
Manager,
and
sir.
Osmaniji was there. Okay. Why? See, the power of GG voucher. There are a lot of advantages. Somebody could tell me what are the uses of GG voucher one by one. You can raise your hand. Whatever is the power, uniqueness of GG voucher. One by one. From new to old. What is GG use? Where is Harun? Harun is there, not there today. He told he has never used GG voucher and he doesn't know more information about GG voucher. I was surprised. Yesterday you told. That's okay. GG voucher ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? Have you? What is the difference? Why should you have a GG voucher as a user? Now today's topic is only as user. No UPOS, no leadership, no share, nothing. Only user. Why should you have a GG voucher? Nobody
Instead
knows.
of going for
Usmaniji, yes.
Yeah, instead of going for every brand voucher, we can have a common voucher for using purchasing purpose.
Excellent. Excepting that Flipkart and 1 or 2 brands. Okay. 99% of the products can be traded through GG voucher. What he told. That is what unexpected purchases. You really do not know where you're going to shop. But you're going to do it in GG. If you have a GG voucher, you can do it. Fantastic. Brilliant. Mr. Usmani, what is the second benefit? So your dependency on UPOS is very less. I know you're all UPOS owners. Unless you know the power of GG voucher, you will not be able to speak to the users. One, okay. What is the second one? As a user, why should I need to go for a GG voucher?
save on the gateway charges.
Brilliant. All of you are aware? If I as a user, I directly go place an order, I buy something, accepting best shopping website and local mega brands or a recharge when I do, I will be charged extra convenience charges. If I do as a user with the GG voucher, I can save 3%. All of us are aware? If there is a doubt on that, please ask me. If there is any doubt, you please ask me. Everybody understood? What is that? Everybody understood? Why should a person need to have a GG voucher as a user? he can avoid 3% convenience charges. What is the third thing?
Those owners can gain commission on
Only
selling
users,
of.
only users. That's a good thing, but only users. Today, we are only touching on users. As a user, why should I? One, multiple brands, I can use it. I need not have a dependency on UPass as a user. Second, I can avoid 3% convenience charges. It could be a bill, repayment, recharge, Meha brand, Apollo, you're buying, convenience charge will be applicable as a user. You're doing it from user app. You need not get a Apollo voucher done from UPass. You can directly create from your user app. What is the third thing? Very important. That's all. Nobody knows.
Local vendors also. Mr.
Yeah, local vendors. Instead of you carrying cash, GG voucher can be redeemed in even local shops, Kirana shops, everything, medical to, tarkari angadi irbodu, fruit angadi irbodu, vegetable angadi irbodu, I mean clothing, anywhere it can. Brilliant. Third one. Fourth one.
Travel also. Traveling.
Travel, yes, everything. GG voucher is applicable 99.9% of GG products, excepting handful. What is the fourth benefit?
generated in advance.
Sorry?
UPV can be generated in advance.
Instantaneous. Within 24 hours, you will get your GG coins and UPV. Imagine you as a user, or you recommend your users with 10,000 GG voucher in the beginning of a month. Pratyon Tinglu, definitely 30 to 40,000 is the spending of every family. You generate a GG voucher in advance 10,000. He gets a UPV, we tag it, he starts earning, and he can spend that 10,000 anytime he wants. One day catch madabodu, one tinglalu use madabodu. So, but you get UPV and GG coins within 24 hours. Are we able to understand GG voucher? You can do that kind of, only when you start using GG voucher, they can be used to GG coin voucher. Okay. So now, another thing. How many of you have got UPVs which is untagged? Honestly tell me.
I've got some. I'll send it, please. I've got some.
UPV tag agilla.
I've got some.
Sudhakar, no. Ashok, okay, forget. I'll do that. You, Nimma UPVs and you nodta illa andre, how will you help your team to as leaders? Put a note, ask them to share. I'll tell you, I'll just show you, I'll do a screen sharing again. I'll tell you, what is the kind of UPVs that on a daily basis. Because you will be thinking, why is that, we are group not adding, for example, I'm going to UPV group. Okay. See here, Ranjit, when was the last UPV shared? Friday. And he's sending me a reminder, it's not been tagged. Prior to that, Raj Shekhar, when was it? On 5th. This is what is happening with UPV. Okay, personally kalista idira UPVs, adunu nodtini. Srisha, because I take care of Karnataka UPV tagging. So Srisha is sending me 30 UPVs. See here. Forget about Srisha. Namma team al nan kelta irodu. Harun, 2 UPV. That's all. It is coming back to UPV group. Venkatesh has sent one, already tagged, finished. So this is what is the trading that we are doing. This is what it is.
Sir, non ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ sir.
Yesterday.
ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು UPV.
ಯಾರದು? ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅದೇ. ಒಂದು UPV. ಅದನ್ನ 6ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು. ಯಾಕೋ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. See, now every day ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ. You have users only, you will be able to build a UPV. That is why I am keeping the topic. Imagine you have got 100 users. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ UPV ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 100 UPV ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತದು. Is it difficult? Easy way is generate one UPV, one GG voucher for them in the beginning of the month. 10,000 ಅವ್ರು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. Electricity bill pay ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, Wi-Fi pay ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, Apollo pay ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ, whatever. And local GG vendors also accept it. GG vouchers. Can we do it? Is it possible? Can we try it? So I want in minimum Every UPOS owner should give 4 UPVs in a month. Not that I'm telling you need to spend, not required. You spend 2, 20,000 ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 2 UPVs ನಿಮ್ಮ full ಇಡೀ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟನಾ? Is 4 UPV in a month difficult? I'm not talking about your UPOS purchase. UPOS purchase ಬಂತು 5, 10. ಅದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು. I'm just giving a simple math. I'll open up an Excel. I'll tell you. We are a team of almost 550 UPOSs in Team Lorwin. I'm just opening one Excel. Anything, I'm just. Okay. Yeah, I think this is what I did. I explained somebody. Yeah. Imagine we have got 550 UPOS. The number that I am asking, 4 UPVs per month. Imagine 2,200. At what level we will be every month? 1296 is 4th level. Every month we will be opening one coin box. Are we able to understand? This is only 4 UPVs per month. I am not talking about this 10 which is already come in. But idana kuda ನೀವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಜನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. This is one time. This is one time. This is every month. Even if I take 2 UPVs, even Lorwin's UPV has not reached that 4th level. Imagine. Our UPV only is at what level? I'll show you that also. Because I want to show at least the active team practically. Because simply blaming, it doesn't really work. I'm just going. Where to get to see the UPVs? You're logged into your UPOS. You logged into. You logged into your user app, your account. Come to this cashback. Click on UPVs. You will see here circle. You see here. This is our earning 25,000 because we generated. See, this is where it is. Now, whichever it is, circle, add to circle, you will get it. Now, all that has been tagged. Now, I'll tell you where we are standing. I'm just opening up and then showing you. See, we have completed only 3 levels. I know, initially we used to give it to the team Karnataka. Now we are putting everything on us only. Every UPV, each one of you give, it comes only under us, this 636 only. We are not even reached 1296. What is Excel I showed you? Ill nodi. Nalakku kottidire neevu 2200 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. One time, ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು 550 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ 5500 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? We are only with only 200 class ಮಾಡಿ 1000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ. Are we able to understand what is my pain area? 550 UPOS we have got. All of us are bill uploaded. Forget about this. I'm just talking even 200. I'm not telling, rest it could be go gear, family health ತಗೊಂಡಿರಬಹುದು, investment ಮಾಡಿರಬಹುದು. Okay. 200 UPVs active ಇಲ್ವಾ? 200 UPVs into 10 UPVs and 2000 UPVs ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? We are only crossed this. Probably we are nearing 700 to 800 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Why? I'll tell you. See, we are at this level. We have crossed this. We are at this level. This level 2. I even know today only I did a tagging, so I can remember what it is. So 9-4. See, we are here. We have completed this. We are here. You are able to see, no? So we are completed. Now we are moved on with 2642. We will be here. It will be blank now, you see. See? So we are only not even half. 3 complete agide. 4th alli, we are only half. So when are we going to complete our 4th level as 1? And each one of you are all tagged here. I'll show you. Each one of your circle is here only. I think this might be Joseph's. Yeah, below this might be Joseph's or our team, Lorwin team. See. You see here, Venkatesh. I put everything, all benefit of you only. See, Venkatesh. Now under this, I will have one of our team member only, you see. See, Sudhakar. Under this, I might have Joseph. Jay Kumar. Okay. Like that, our team only is there. See. Like that, our team only I am pushing in for. Sri Sharad. So it's all our team. But you guys don't give UPVs. Where do you think we will be growing? See, it is all tagged under where? Lorwin only. This is Lorwin's. And this is connected with Mr. Devas. We are the 5th. So please start working on UPVs. UPVs also. More number of customers come in. Then only. I'm opening the Excel again. See, this small thing we are not able to do and get our 4th level coin open. How are each one of you going to be earning this kind? See, this is the total earning. When you complete 4th level only, you will be getting for one UPV, 20,000. One UPV. Level 5. Level 5, we are talking about how much? Any idea? How much is the earning? 36,000 will be the GG coin. What is the level 4 income, cash income? Any idea?
18,000.
5,000.
10,000, 18,000.
Level 5
18.
will be 18,000. So you make a sum of all this. See here, 74,000. This is what JD was explaining. So 74,000. E level ke now yavag hogodi. We are not even reached here. If Lorwin's UPV reaches here, few of the leaders UPV will be here. If Lorwin reaches L5, few of you will be earning L4. That is how it is. We are stuck. So please start working on UPVs. Start working on UPV generation. Not that you need to spend money. You spend 20,000 to 30,000 every month, 3 to 4 UPV. But make your customers one UPV, 100, 50 generated. Possible. So now there was a question yesterday with regard to utility bill. I'll do a demo. Who has got the utility bill? Is there any clarification on UPV and how we need to be? So before Diwali, I wanted to have this Lorwin's done, and one of our, it could be Jaykumar, Sudhakar, Joseph, or Vinesh, or Kishore. All this I have given 111 UPV and building the team. Sharad, it could be 10 of you leaders. I have given one UPV on top of below which I am building the team now. You should complete your 4th level. Lorwin should complete 5th level. Can we take it? Is it possible? Madboda. If there are no reply coming in, then you guys are not understood. Is it difficult? Getting 4 UPVs, 5 UPVs in per UPOS. 5 UPVs in also, 2,000 UPVs. And we would have easily covered. We would have easily covered next level. Next month, 4 to 5,000, we will cover. See, you need to imagine what is the benefit. Is my screen visible? One sec. Now just imagine after, let's say, after 5 or 6 months, if you have not got your place here established, and Karnataka team will be focusing only rest of the 5. We will only focus our own. If you do not get a proper placement and you do not build your own team, what will happen? Imagine after March or after January, there is, we are talking about 210 lakh crore. We are talking about 63 lakh crore. Forget about it. We are just talking about I would just give an approximate value. Okay, 63 lakh crore is what we are going to be generating every month. Is this correct? 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 63 lakh crore. I'm just putting, few. Just imagine how many UPVs will be generated. How many UPVs will be generated in a month? In a month. I'm giving a very, very conservative number. A transaction of just about 6 crores trading. I'm not talking about 63 lakh crore. 63,000. So imagine what level each one of us will be completing. Even if I'm talking about a 4th level, we are talking about 1296. 1296 UPVs. 48 of you would have crossed in 1 month. 48 of you will be generating 20,000 every month, provided your UPV is on top and you build in your team. Imagine. And after 1 year, what will happen? I'm adding one more zero. See that kind of a thing. At one point of a time, believe it, friends, the kind of a value what Mr. Vikas and Global Gunner is talking about, it is more. It is more. And I'm talking about, see the number of UPVs will be generated. $63 lakh rather, UPVs will be generated. UPVs will be generated. So imagine each one of us that will be earning. So this cannot happen like a magic, overnight magic. Yesterday we were talking about one case study of an apartment with Mr. Usmani. Why not? We are all connected with office, apartments, gated communities. Why not we go meet and speak to them and make some, identify 10-20 customers in the beginning. We'll put a canopy. They charge 2,000 to 5,000 rupees for a canopy. Later on, we can do. You are going to get 500 users, no? 500 users, one UPV also, you are only going to be benefited. Because each one of you leader, I have created your own level. For example, we have created something under Kishore. Now, Kishore can do 6. Below Kishore, Abdul, Usmani, Yadav, all those people can become. Like that, you can start building your own teams, no? So it's already 12:10. What is that? Can we take it as a thing like, I know we are focusing on UPOS, share. Along with it, I am telling 4 UPVs per UPOS. That's all. I'm not asking for more. And the moment you get a UPV, please pass it on to me personally or in the group. Send to me personally, no problem. Your username and password. I'll tag and I'll keep you posted.
Just send 7 UPVs.
I'll also tell you how I do a tagging. You send me now? Okay.
I've sent you now, sir.
Okay, I'm yet to get Joseph.
UPV group, Lauren team UPV group.
You put it in UPV group. Okay.
Today I put it in UPV group.
Yes. So now see what is happening is your user ID and password.
9343. You're opening now, sir.
I'm opening in another browser.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll tell you how we normally do. If Joseph has given, it comes under Joseph team. Okay. Now, for example, yes.
Now you made a separate team for me or still under thing only, sir?
I made a separate team.
Okay, sir.
Looks so. Yeah. You give me.
I'm not very sure. That's what I asked.
Yeah. Give me this one.
9343.
9343.
79.
Okay.
86.
Okay.
39. Password is the same password.
So now, what we are doing right now is, if you see, cashback, I'm going to the UPV.
Screen, sir. Can't see
Screen
the
share
screen.
is not there. Achha, okay. Yes. So I logged in. Now I've gone to cashback, UPV cashback. I need to go to circle. You see here, Mr. Joseph has earned 10,000 as a cashback. Okay. Now 41 UPVs he has generated. Brilliant. He deserves a very big round of applause. So now you see, whatever is not tagged, you've got 10. Whatever is not tagged, it will show add to circle. Whatever is tagged, it will be here. So if you see all this, I think we have started tagging for you from here. Now I've got a tracker. I've got a UPV tracker. I'll open that Excel also. See here. In this, I've got Joseph. See here, for Joseph, I've created a separate thing. So what I need to be doing it now, I just need to take up this. I think it should be. See, now I have logged into his. I am just going to add it to him, his own. Now I'll show you live example. What is the amount he has got now? Let's say he has got about 10,000 change now.
Yeah,
10,000 to 89. Tomorrow he will share a screen. What it will show? Few hundred, but still earning is an earning. Okay. I'm going to put this. It is to so all these are Mr. Joseph's only. Okay. So Joseph, is this also yours? Any idea?
Which one, sir? Which number, sir?
10539 is yours. See, here only I can get to see. I have started something for you. See here, this has been done. Now, for example, we will be having it here. I can see where it is also. I mean, who's the parent, this one, and we keep adding it. That's how it is. So I maintain an Excel where whenever you give, I'll be able to view where it is. See, it's yours only. Got it? So what I do now, for example, I put it under you only. See here, this is you have earned, you are stuck here. I'll see where you are. See, this is at Pashupati. Okay, that's your parent, this one. So like that, I will, as per this, I'll start tagging it. So that income will come to you only. And your team is building it. This is your last one. Okay. So like this, see, I've got maintained everybody's. See, I've got Sharad's, I've got Shobita, I've got Jay Kumar, I've got Sandhya's, which means Sudhakar, I've got Ventesh. Like that, I have maintained. And I've got Vinesh and Kishore there below. Like that, I would be. Okay, see, Vinesh is here. Harun is there. So, like that, we have got for every teams. Whenever we are getting, we have got. So, I'm transparently showing you. So, this is how it will be building. Okay. So, whenever you give, it is going to be benefit for you. And whenever other teams give, I put it like this. When Srisha gave 30 UPVs, I put it in a horizontal. I did not put it vertical. I put it in a horizontal way. Whenever Lorwin team gives, I am trying to give a benefit to you. Sudhakar gives, I'll put it under Sudhakar only. Kishore gives, I'll put it under Kishore. Joseph gives, I'll put it under Joseph, where I'm trying to build in. Now, at one point of a time, all of us will be gaining more momentum because I will be focusing only on Lorwin. I will not focus anything else. Sudhakar.
Yeah, when Srisha gives you UPVs, no, you said you will put horizontal.
Yes.
His team, his group, no?
Lorwin group. For the entire team of Karnataka, I am only handling now.
No, but the UPVs you tag where? In under Lorwin or under Srisha?
Under Lorwin. You see here. This is how it is. I'll give an example today.
That's because when we gave him Lorwin team gave him.
We gave to entire team Karnataka those days. Now we are trying to capitalize it. For example, I'll tell you all these are Srisha what he gave today. Okay, that is where it got this one 2-7 probably over here. You get yes. This is the one. All these are given today. I'll tell you. I'll
see the screen, sir.
You're not able to see the screen. Okay. Yes, you see here, whatever has been given by Mr. Srisha, what I received, I have tagged it here. I have tagged it under Lorwin. 636 only is Lorwin. So I have put it under Lorwin, but in a horizontal way, not vertical. See here, this is today, 12th. Today I have tagged. Today I have tagged. These are not Lorwin teams. See? So I would have tagged 30 UPVs of him. See, it's all tagged today, 12th. I'm putting it like this. So why I need to also complete horizontally? No, we need to complete our 4th level. But when Joseph gives, I'll not put horizontal. I'll put it vertical. When Vinesh gives, I'll put it down. I am all see. That is how it is. So that is how most of your leaders are. Whether somebody is or not, John always. I wanted to help you gain something. When others are giving, I'm building in a team for Lorwin like this. When you give, I'm putting it vertically down so that you get 2,000, 1,000, whatever it is. So try and give more UPVs. Open your. I asked Joseph is given 10 UPVs. Like that, each one of you will have a lot of UPVs with you, unnoticed. Open up. Send
you may
it to
add
me.
mine. You may add mine.
And I'll build a group under Mr. Kishore. Like that, we are going to do. Okay. So
I
please.
think I have 5.
Yes, you send the username password. Mr. Abdul might have. Mr. Girish might have. You send me a message separate. It's late today. So like this.
Yeah, okay. I'll send it separately.
Yes. Okay. So those are the things what I had. Yes, Sudhakar.
Srisha is also having some leaders group in his own
Now, the
Short
understanding
important.
what MCPs we had is, till one stage, we will build, team Namma Circle, Karnataka. Now, fourth coin is open for Srisha already. Till ours open, they will give. But after that, they will not give. No problem. We don't bother.
Understood.
We build our own. Yes. Okay. So we will not be giving anything outside now. We will be only putting it everything under 636 only. Whatever, whoever gives.
No, why
And that
I'm
will be-
asking is, my few, well, a lot of UPVs are in under him. That is why.
Yes.
So that will
So-
be taken care. No.
Yeah. You should be taken care. It will be taken care. It will be taken care 100%. But it might be little slow there. Now here it might give very faster because we are working only with Lorvin team. So all of us, 200 people are active. Every month we receive 2000 to 2000 UPVs. Imagine how fast we can grow. So please
That
start
means
working on.
it's not just Lorvin team, even the whole Karnataka team, the UPV generation is less.
Very, very less, but few have started building their own on the left side. Srisha, myself, we are given lot of UPVs into the common team. So we are trying to build. Okay, fine friends. So tomorrow, Kannada Wow, start inviting people. Saturday, English Wow. Sunday, we will have a physical session in our GG office, 3 o'clock. Sunday,
Any-
physical Wow, Global Ghana office. Saturday, 7 p.m. English Wow. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Kannada Wow in 9 o'clock. Ask Lorvin continues, no changes. I'm also thinking, do we postpone Ask Lorvin for the evening? Because I still see 15, 20 people only coming. Can we postpone it to 6 or 7 in the evening or 8 or 9 in the 8 o'clock? Can we?
That would be
7,
nice.
7 o'clock will be. 9 we
7
got programs, no, sir. 9 we got a knowledge session.
No, but there might be a shift because 9 is not doing great. There might be a shift.
Same number
8
of people.
o'clock may be ideal for
Huh?
all. 8 o'clock maybe.
8 p.m. Can we start having? Excepting Saturday, all other days can we? We'll finish off this week. Anyway, I got a calendar already put in till Saturday. We'll complete it. 8 p.m. We will all change it is what I'm thinking. Okay. So you discuss among yourself.
Some are working
Yes.
and private or government, what's it maybe.
I'll put a message in the group. We
Ah.
intend to move Ask Lorvin to 8 p.m. Okay.
Hmm.
We can even have it for half an hour, 45 minutes.
Ah, that's enough.
Except we have a topic, we can close it in half an hour, 45 minutes. That's a suggestion. So that, see, hardly there are about 12, 13 participants are coming in. And most of it is repeated. Okay. So I'm going out for a meeting now. Let's wind off. And then, we'll catch up tomorrow, 11 o'clock for vendor management and UPOS earning. Tomorrow is again going to be a thing. Now, today, most of you need to put your creatives in your profile, Facebook, status, and add more users. And the 353 users should become 3,000 users before Diwali.
Candle.
And
Chessan.
Okay.
Kapete chessan. బయటకు
all right. See you all.
పక్కన పార్క్ చేస్తాం లోపల.
Any doubt, you can call me, and then we will take it up. Okay. All right. Fine.